All right, I'm back to give you a live update. So let's take a look at what happened today in the markets on Monday, February 22nd. And we try to do this in 5 minutes or less. So stocks finished mixed today, but the Dow was staging a major comeback. I mean, you have to see this on a 5-minute chart. So here we have the Dow. Here is the 5-minute chart of the Dow, and take a look at this. So the Dow, we opened here, went lower, but then look at this, up, up and away. Couldn't hold it, going lower into the close, but finishing positive for the day, up 0.1%. Now, the other indices weren't that lucky. So if you look at the S&P 500 here, so the S&P briefly came off its lows, but couldn't make it, finished down 0.8% for its 5th straight loss. And the Nasdaq took the biggest hit today. The Nasdaq down 2.6%. So why is the Nasdaq down? Well, these were big cap tech stocks that have rallied hard this year, like Apple, Tesla, and Microsoft. They were the main reason that the Nasdaq sold off so sharply today. See, these stocks have been recently hit by some profit taking after hitting new highs earlier this year. So let's take a look at those. So here we have Apple, and Apple has been up and away, and today fell 3%. It's the lowest close since early January. Now, Tesla, on the other hand, even worse. I mean, Tesla, if you take a look at this, Tesla down 8.6%, and it has been just going higher, and right now we see some profit taking here, down almost 11% from its January high. Now, another tech stock that was on the radar today is Microsoft. Microsoft lost 2.7% today, lowest close in 3 weeks since February 1st. Now, Apple and Microsoft were two of the worst Dow stocks today, but like I said, the index managed to win on big gains for Walt Disney. Disney jumped up 4.4% on a new high as reopening stocks jumped as COVID cases are going lower. So here we see the daily new cases. And as you can see, oops, we have to probably scroll all the way down. But you get the idea. We have been going higher. And now we are making not really new lows, but new cases in the US are their lowest since October. And also, if we look at the COVID vaccination tracker, we see that right now, oops, there we go back, that more than 44 million Americans have received at least one dose of the vaccination. So what were some other stocks that saw big gains today? Well, you see, crude oil hit its highest level in over a year, and this is where we have some crude oil stocks that popped up higher. So Chevron popped higher 2.7%. And then we also have ExxonMobil, and ExxonMobil skyrocketed 3.7%. But let's talk about what's in store for this week. We take a look at the economic calendar. Let's go to the markup here so that you see it. Not a whole lot today, but over the next 2 days, Fed Chair Jerome Powell will begin his 2-day congressional testimony. And first, he speaks to the Senate Financing Committee, and on Wednesday, he'll testify in front of the House Financial Service Committee. So this is what's going on this week. Not a whole lot. So definitely traders will keep an eye on the $1.9 trillion stimulus package. Anyhow, so this wraps up today's stock market news in 5 minutes or less. And today it only took us a little bit over 4 minutes. Now keep in mind, trade what you see and not what you think. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.